Welcome to this detailed tutorial on turning off the tag cloud feature within your WordPress site. In this guide, you will learn each step needed to complete this change in your WordPress setup. Begin by navigating to the WordPress homepage in your web browser. Once you have reached the page, take a moment to locate the login option, which is typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This is your starting point for accessing your site's administrative tools. After you have found the login area, click on it to proceed with entering your account. The next action is to use the convenient option labeled Continue with Google. When you click this, a list of your available Google accounts will appear, and you should choose the account associated with your WordPress site. This streamlined login method simplifies your access and ensures that you are using the correct credentials linked to your website. Once you are logged in, direct your attention to the quick link section. This portion of the WordPress interface provides rapid access to important site management functions. In this section, locate and select the Edit Site option. This allows you to open up the editor and prepare your website for modifications. You have now entered the site editing mode, where you can begin customizing various features. In the editing mode, focus on the upper portion of your screen where you will find an icon represented by 3 dots. Clicking on this icon reveals additional options that are pivotal for adjusting preferences. The next step in the process is to click on Preferences. This action will open a settings menu where various options related to your site's appearance and functionality are available for adjustment. Within the Preferences menu, look for an option labeled Blocks. The design of WordPress now highly integrates the block editing approach, so it is important to select this option to work with the block-based elements of your site. Choosing blocks will allow you to manage specific elements easily and tailor your site's components as needed. Once you are in the block section, you are ready to perform the final change related to the tag cloud feature. The final step in this process is to locate the tag cloud block and turn it off. By doing so, you will effectively remove the display of tags from your website, which can help streamline its appearance and improve its overall layout if the tag display is not necessary for your site's functionality. Simply switch off the tag cloud setting and your change will be saved. Throughout this tutorial, you have navigated from the WordPress homepage through the login process, selected the appropriate account using Google, entered the site editor via quick links, navigated through the preferences to the block section, and finally turned off the tag cloud feature. Each of these steps has been designed to help you easily manage your website settings without confusion. We hope that you found this guide both clear and useful in maintaining your WordPress site according to your needs. Enjoy the refreshed simplicity of your WordPress layout following these changes.